class 6. So today we are taking up the second part of your conjunctions. Use of some other important conjunctions. In the first part I told you some of the important conjunctions. Now the second part, page 328 of your BBC Compacta. Dear children, and as well as, not only but also. These are three different conjunctions. 1, 2, and 3 correlated. One is and only, second as well as, third not only but also. This is correlated. They are used to join two or more words, phrases, or clauses of the same nature or rank. She went to the market and bought a sari. This is very simple. Ravi and Neeraj are my cousins. Very simple. Now, as we had done this thing in subject-verb agreement also, Ravi as well as his brother is guilty. Now, here when we are joining two people, we will take the verb, like this is the verb. This verb will be taken for the first subject as it is written in this box. With as well as, the verb agrees with the first subject as told earlier in this subject-verb agreement chapter. Second, he was not only fined but also degraded. Sirf not only means sirf yahi nahi but also yeh bhi. He was not only fined but also degraded. Hope you understood this, because and was old, as well as was also old, and not only but also you have done in class 4 and 5 also. Now, the use of both and. This is for, it is used as a pair of, for emphasis, like both mom and dad knew I was right. Dono ko hi pata tha. Right? Now, but, still, yet. They express contrast between the two statements. When two opposite statements are there, then we use but, still, and yet. These are used to join statements or clauses that oppose each other in thought. Like, he is poor but contented. Means poor hai lekin. Contented means satisfied hai. He worked hard. Hard work to kiya. Yet he failed. Fir bhi fail ho gaya. Working hard and failing. These are two contrasting things, opposite. He is 80, still he is strong. So the one who is 80 years old, he is not expected to be so strong. Still he is strong. So these things are used for comparing two opposite thoughts. Right? Now, nevertheless, meaning of nevertheless is also as same as but. He was tired, nevertheless he went on working. Still he went on working, but he went on working, yet he went on working, nevertheless he went on working. All are the same. Right? You need to know the meaning, that nevertheless meaning is same. Then however, this is a little forceful word. It means that same as nevertheless and shows contrast with what went before, जो पहले हुआ उसके साथ contrast लेते हैं इसको. Like we in the use of however, we use a semicolon before and comma after writing however. Right? He was late, semicolon, however, comma, he decided to go. वो late हो गया था, पहले का काम हो गया. However, he decided to go. आगे क्या करना है? Now he's doing that. If however is used to begin a sentence, it must be followed by a comma. Tom has a lot of money, full stop. New sentence. However, comma, he's not at all happy. Again, पहले का work done है. What is going on? That he is not at all happy. Next, though, although, even though, even if. They also express contrast or concession. Like concession means कि despite of this, ऐसा होने के बावजूद भी. Meaning of these conjunctions are this. Though and although are slightly stronger than but. But से stronger हैं. Though is weaker than although. थोड़ा सा weak हो जाता है. Although थोड़ा ज़्यादा stress देता है. Like although it was very cold, he went out without a coat. ठंड होने के बावजूद भी वो बिना कोट के चला गया. अगर हम इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं, इट वॉज वेरी कोल्ड बट ही वेंट आउट विदाउट अ कोट, ये थोड़ा और वीक सा लग जाता है, मतलब एक अच्छा इंप्रेशन नहीं पड़ता. टू पॉलिश अ सेंटेंस वी राइट ऑल्दो इट वॉज वेरी कोल्ड he went out without a coat. Though he is very poor, yet he is always neatly dressed. So when we use certain, though can be used with yet also, though can be used with but also, with a comma in between. Now even though and even if, they are stronger and more emphatic than although. जैसे even though means despite the fact that, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया आपकी, this is ऐसा होने के बावजूद भी. It is used when something is always done or a fact is mentioned. जो जब कई बार कुछ हमेशा होता है, like even though the ring was expensive, I bought it. मीन्स अगर हम इसको लगाते हैं although the ring was expensive, I bought it, ये थोड़ा वीक सा लगता है. even though मीन्स रिंग एक्सपेंसिव होने के बावजूद भी मैंने उसको खरीद लिया. Means this is something having a more weight. Like even if means whether or not, means तुम चाहो या ना चाहो. It is used when something is rarely done or just imagine. I'll go even if you forbid me to. मुझे मना करोगे मैं तो भी जाऊंगा. Means तुम चाहो या ना चाहो, this work will be done. Even if I work 2 jobs, I still won't be able to pay my rent. मैं 2 काम भी कर लूं तो भी मैं पे नहीं कर पाऊंगा. मीन्स ऐसा हो या ना हो, इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दिस इज वॉट दे वांट टू से. नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द राइट साइड पार्ट, चिल्ड्रन. yes, or you have been doing since class 3, means making a choice for an or an alternative. Should we turn right or left? There's a choice. I shall see you tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow, and day after, again a choice. The conjunction or also takes the place of and in negative sentences. क्या होता है देखो, I like tea, coffee and hot chocolate. ये positive है. I don't like tea, coffee और hot chocolate, मतलब तीनों में से मुझे कुछ भी पसंद नहीं है. Here ऊपर and लगा मतलब मुझे तीनों चीजें पसंद है, नीचे और लगा मतलब मुझे तीनों ही पसंद नहीं है. Right? Now either or, neither nor, they express a choice, alternative between two things. Neither nor used for negative things, either or used for positive things. And in both the conjunctions, verb agrees with the second subject. As told in the subject verb agreement chapter, either he or his brother did it. Neither nor means not one, not the other. मैंने बताया आपको negative sense में. He was neither fine nor warned. Otherwise is used after an order or suggestion not following, which will have consequences. ऐसा करने से वरना ये हो जाएगा. Never be absent, otherwise you will be dismissed. Right? वरना जैसे like a warning. For, therefore, so. Can be used to express inference or draw a conclusion. Sometimes reason पहले दिया होता है कि ऐसा करोगे तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा किया तो ऐसा हुआ. He was found guilty, therefore he was punished. उसका कसूर था इसलिए उसको punishment मिल गई. There must be someone on the roof, for I hear footsteps. तो कोई तो होगा ऊपर क्योंकि मैंने किसी के footsteps सुने हैं. इन्फ्रेंस या कंक्लूजन निकालने के लिए, समटाइम्स रीजन देने के लिए हम फॉर यूज कर लेते हैं. सो यूजुअली गोज इन द मिडल ऑफ द सेंटेंस एंड देयरफॉर कैन गो एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ अ न्यू सेंटेंस. लाइक he did not study properly, so he failed. सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, बीच में सो लगा दिया. He did not study properly, sentence finished, next sentence, therefore he failed. We can write therefore when we are beginning a new sentence also, but so cannot, does not look good if we write after a full stop. As, since, because express reason or cause. They are called conjunctions of reason. Because is stronger than as and since, but they are often used in a similar way. Like, I did not go to school as I was ill. आप because भी लगा दो इसके, because भी लग सकता है इसकी जगह पर, since भी लग सकता है. We will certainly help you since you are our friend. The baby is crying because it is hungry. So, meaning is the same. A for clause does not tell us why a certain action was performed. It gives a piece of additional information which helps to explain it. It is preceded by a comma or a full stop. मतलब completely पूरा reason नहीं बताता है ये थोड़ा सा हल्का सा reason बताता है. तो I must leave for the sun is about to set. छोटा सा. As expresses manner. As you sow, so shall you reap. जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे. As also expresses comparison. He is as intelligent as his brother, like positive degree of adjective. Right? That's all with this session. We'll meet in the third session of your conjunctions. Till then, goodbye.